Hello everybody, it is me Smilo here today, and it's me Skidmark, and today we want to introduce a new friend of ours. Hello everyone, my name is Bruce, and I am a Wolverine. So yeah folks, our new friend Bruce here, he's a Wolverine, and if you can see by the tag right there, he is from Wild Republic. And he has a very nice fur coat, doesn't he folks? Yeah, take a look, he has like 3 layers of brown. Yeah, the top layer is a dark brown, and then the middle layer is a light brown, and then the bottom half is a very dark brown. And then you can see the brown markings on his face with a very large nose. He has a good sense of smell, and then he has a very fluffy looking tail. But yeah folks, while our friend Bruce here may look all plush and cuddly, believe me when I tell you that this is not an animal you would want to pet. Yeah, Wolverines are extremely fierce animals. I guess you could call them the honey badgers of North America. Wolverines can be found in the northern hemisphere in North America and extend down to the west coast into the USA. They can even be found across the far north of Europe and Asia. The Wolverine is so fierce that Native Americans actually called it the evil one. They can actually scare off animals such as cougars, wolves, and bears. And while the Wolverine looked kind of like a dog mixed with a bear, it is actually related to neither. And sometimes the name Wolverine often makes people think that this creature was related to wolves, but this creature is actually a species of weasel. In fact, it is actually the largest species of weasel. The Wolverine is also known as a skunk bear. Wolverines have glands that it used to mark its territory. The stinky fluid it leaves is almost as smelly as the spray of a skunk, which is actually a close cousin to the Wolverine. Their thick fur offers good protection from the bitter cold. And while the Wolverine may look fairly small and harmless, it is one of the most feared animals in the world. Even bears retreat from the snarls and growls made by this vicious predator. And Wolverines actually have poor eyesight, but they still prefer to hunt at night using their sharp sense of smell. Wolverines also had a mouthful of vicious teeth with a bone-crushing bite. And Wolverines were also very powerful hunters. Despite being very small, about 3 feet long, the Wolverine was able to bring down animals as big as deer, or maybe even as big as moose. But like all predators, it wouldn't turn down the opportunity to scavenge as well. Wolverines have a truly balanced diet. They'll eat almost anything. They will eat insects, bird eggs, fruits, nuts, and berries in season, then easily switch to hunting down animals as big as deer and moose. If the Wolverine finds a carcass, it does not hesitate to dig in. And Wolverines also have 5 claws on each paw. Their feet are equipped with formidable claws used for fighting and ripping apart prey. And the claws partially retract when not in use. They were used as deadly weapons. They would even use those formidable claws to dig through thick snow and ice, and they would even dig through the burrows of hibernating animals, which they would hunt in their sleep. And Wolverines are also good tree climbers as well. So yeah folks, despite looking like a small and harmless animal, the Wolverine was one of the fiercest creatures. They were armed with a good sense of smell, very sharp teeth, a bone-crushing bite, and flesh-ripping claws. We advise you not to mess with this feisty little predator, but our friend Bruce here is a rather nice guy, just don't get on his bad side. So that's it for now folks, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And remember folks, just because an animal seems small and harmless doesn't mean it isn't dangerous. Never underestimate small size, because small can be deadly.